Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm John Bafen, my brother Kamabanu uphuma kuphi?
Udlamini Mandiso ngiphuma eNkomazi lapha eNkoboti.
Uthini
Hayi ngithi bukhosi buyabonga kwekuqala nje, bukhosi buyabonga. Ibafana iwinile. Ngimlandzelo Kaizer Chiefs mina ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi ibafana iwinile lokho kuyasijabulisa. 2026 siku World Cup USA. Siyabangena sikhona siyaflya. Sanza kubonga kumadala kiko Bruce usebendile nya as a Khosifeni ngijabulile ukuthi nanamuhla ngiduduza ishabalala udlalile I'm happy ngijabulile naNtwari ngiyambonga ukuthi usinike the 3 goals as a Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper siyambonga sithi Khosi buyabonga Ntwari usebendile yabona so ngiyamnika naye Ntwari man of the match usinika the 3 goals sibafana ngiphinze ngithanza i-combination yambule lapha na Police inhle kakhulu
quality
sibonge nayo Pirates ayibonga ngekusilethela such quality Mbule and Police the combination lapha inhle kakhulu yabona siyabonga baba 2026 World Cup siyakhona namasitozayini
Yes, thank you very much.